All right, so I just got my tire switched over from that rim onto that rim. This was a pull from one of my projects. I had a 400EX, it's a 2004, sitting up in the shed. That's gonna be a wintertime project. I'd already pulled the motor and a bunch of stuff off of it, sold the plastics. So it may become a parts machine and not become a project if I keep pulling more parts off of it. But yeah, this old rim right here, I kept thinking I had a leak in my tire, and I couldn't find it. And I finally took it to the tire shop and thought I had a bad bead on it, and it was leaking from the bead real slow. But they determined I have a cracked rim. It looks like a speck of dirt, but right there is a crack in my rim. It looks like whoever previously had this had probably put some green slime or something in there because they were having leaks. And it looks like it found that hole and was trying to push through. And I guess that green slime started breaking down, wasn't working anymore, and had let the air start leaking out. So if you've got a tire, you can't figure out where the air is leaking from, check your rims. Something, I did not think I would have had a cracked rim. I guess maybe we sent it a little too hard, or stick smashed in there, or not sure. Welcome back, Honda 400EX fans and just lovers of all four-wheelers. So I did a thing last night in preparation for this weekend's night ride. Can anybody tell what I did? All right, so suspense. Took the factory key location off and relocated my key to down here, my neutral and reverse lights, so reverse, neutral, and mounted this LED. This didn't really fit anymore with the Renthal bars. It was sort of just held up there with a zip tie. It wasn't really meant to fit on those bars. And so I figured I'd do this modification, relocate my key and my lights, and at the same time add this LED headlight, which is now super bright, and I still have the LEDs down there in the stock location. Oh yeah, real bright. All right, mail call. Let's see what we got. Ooh, a big orange sticker from Rocky Mountain ATV. Let's see what's in the box. All right, so in the box is a bunch of padding. Yay. And a gasket for my clutch, and some jets, and a spark plug. What's not in the box is my clutch. Where's my clutch? I ordered a new clutch and it's not in the box. Not cool. Miles and miles of stop traffic going 95 south. Glad we're rolling